appendage.
No, get off of me!
Get down on the ground.
On April 17th, 2023, Orlando police responded to a call at Gate 24, Orlando International Airport. A passenger reported a woman screaming and acting erratically. Officers found a subject in apparent crisis. The encounter lasted approximately 9 minutes. It ended in physical restraint, an officer bitten on the neck, and 4 criminal charges filed. This analysis examines the legal framework, not the events themselves.
Hello.
Don't touch me.
We're not touching you, ma'am.
Leave me alone.
What's going on?
No, no, no.
Hey, I spoke with your husband earlier. I was the one to speak.
I know you spoke with him already.
I know, so are you on the phone with him?
Don't touch me. Leave me alone.
Are you... Can we talk? Ma'am, don't, please.
Leave me alone. Do not
Bitch,
come
don't
near
touch
me.
that.
Leave me alone.
Okay.
No, I am not stopping. You will back the fuck away from me.
You need to settle down
No.
so we can talk.
I'm sorry, baby. No. I am getting away from the people.
Over there.
Sorry, baby.
Over there.
No, leave me
Okay,
alone.
ready? Okay.
Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
Yeah.
No, no, no.
Till...
Do not touch me. Do not come near me.
Jesus.
Do not come near me.
Jesus. Move. Oh, sorry.
Do not come near me. Do not
Ma'am.
come near me.
All right, you need
My
to settle
hands
down.
are up.
You need
Don't
to settle.
touch me.
You need to settle down.
Don't touch me.
You need to settle
No,
down.
I will not settle
All right.
down.
Yes.
You will back
Yes,
up.
you will.
You will back up.
She's got a pen in her hand.
No.
The encounter implicates 3 overlapping legal frameworks that must be analyzed separately. First, Florida Statute 394.463, the Baker Act. It authorizes involuntary examination when mental illness creates a substantial likelihood of harm. Second, the Fourth Amendment governs every seizure of the person, criminal or civil. Third, Florida's criminal code defines the charged offenses and their statutory elements. The controlling use of force standard is Graham versus Connor. Decided in 1989, force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of an officer on the scene. 3 factors apply: severity of the offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. The observation of a pen in the subject's hand materially altered the threat analysis here. A pen is not a per se weapon, but Florida courts treat any hard-pointed object as capable. The reasonableness inquiry asks what the officer knew at the moment, not in hindsight.
Get off of me.
Get down on the ground. Down the pen.
Get off of me.
Settle down.
Get the fuck. No. Get off of me. Get off. Get off. Get off. No. No.
Stop biting me.
Stop. No. Get off of me. Oh, no, please. Please stop it. Please stop it.
Roll on your stomach.
No. Get off of me. Get off of me. Oh. Get
Roll over. You're making it hard on yourself.
off
Back it.
me. Get the fuck off of me.
You're about to get tased.
Get off. No.
Which side do you want to
No.
roll? We gotta pick the side. Come on.
Stop. Get off of me.
Stop it.
No.
Good job.
Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Get off of me. Now. Right now. Why did you let them do this to you, baby? Get off. No. No. Please get off. Wow. Oh my God.
We're gonna need a case first.
No, please don't put me in a cage car. Oh, please get off of me. Get off
Can I?
of me now. No.
Stop.
No,
Just
please.
stop. All right, you need to settle down.
I know you have
need to
a
sit down.
family too. Just don't
settle
do
down.
it to me.
All right.
I have kids. I have beautiful kids.
Get Arthur.
Please leave me alone.
Just
Please
settle down and we'll get everything help for
Leave me
you.
alone.
Turning to the charges, battery on a law enforcement officer is the most serious count. Florida statute 784.07 reclassifies it as a third-degree felony. State versus Hearns, decided in 2007, confirmed that biting qualifies as battery. The maximum penalty is 5 years imprisonment, regardless of injury severity. Resisting with violence under Section 843.01 is also a felony. Resisting without violence under Section 843.02 is a misdemeanor. Charging both from a single encounter is permitted, but consolidation at plea is common. The disorderly conduct charge under Section 877.03 is weakest. State versus Saunders, 1976, narrowed the statute to fighting words only. Loud verbal distress, without incitement of breach of peace, does not meet that threshold.
All right, we're
Little
gonna.
lady, we're gonna sit you up.
Please don't call me little lady.
Okay.
Okay, well, you help us with your legs, okay?
Is this your shoe over here too?
All right, sit down in the
Sit in the
wheelchair.
chair first.
I don't wish to sit in
We want you to sit
We'd like
down.
you to sit down, please.
Sit down, sit down, sit down.
Please, please.
Come on, sit down, sit down.
Please sit down.
Please just sit down.
You want to get her feet up down?
No, don't touch me.
We're not touching you.
Please, do you have a family?
We're just getting the lift up. You can put
No,
your
no,
feet
no,
down if
no,
you
no.
want.
Don't let them take me, please.
Come on.
Please
Come on, we
don't
can
let
take
No, please don't let me. Why are all these men on me and nobody's trying to help me?
Ma'am, just
We are
put your feet
helping
here.
you.
No, you're not.
Just put your feet up
This
here,
is
ma'am.
really. Oh,
Is there other sneakers?
I already. Don't touch me, please. Stop it. Why were you? Please don't let them take me.
You got it?
Does she have any other family members here?
Just hold on to her. Hold on to her.
You got it?
Her.
So there's some backstory.
No, get off of me.
We got the back,
There is
Herbie.
a backstory.
Herbie, you hang on to her. I got the back.
Oh my baby. Why are you recording me?
23, I guess. Go left.
Please.
Just go left.
No.
Yeah.
I'm sorry this is happening to you, baby. Yes.
Excuse us. folks.
Come on, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
No.
24.
No.
Get me. Can you make some room?
No. Get off of me.
If she gets off, we're just gonna agree.
No. No, you can do it now. Yes.
Okay.
Right now.
Let's walk.
I am not walking.
Man, relax.
I'm sorry, baby. This is happening to you. You
We're
have
going this way, folks. Excuse us. Man, stop, please. Coming through here.
help me, please.
Thank you.
No. Please. Please don't take me
Coming through
away. No. Oh. Ow.
Stop kicking.
No, please.
Come on, man.
No.
Come on, come on.
No. Out. Help me. Help. Ah.
Good. Come on, man.
No. I will not.
Come on,
Come
man.
on, we're almost there.
Come on, man. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, man. Come on, we gotta go.
No. Why have you always been doing this to me?
Yes, let's go.
Can you check my neck over here?
Please don't
No,
let
excuse
me.
me. I don't know this.
No. No.
Is it
No.
broken?
got a bite mark. No, it's not broken. It's swollen.
We're gonna be near your left.
Bite mark.
Was that a bite?
Yeah, she bit me on the neck.
Sit her down.
No. Do not.
We have to do this. All right. Bring her down.
So they got
You're breaking my back.
Nobody's breaking anything.
Help me. Ah.
Grab her arms. You guys ready? On three.
No.
1, 2, 3. Up she goes. And get in front.
Ow! Ow, my arms! Please put me down. I will walk now. Ah!
Okay. Stop screaming now.
Ow! Let me out
You're
of
gonna walk now. You said.
Telecom Oscar 992, 4-hour unit
Help
check.
you up now, and now you're gonna walk with us.
Get off of me.
Grab her leg. Grab her leg.
I'll talk to you when we get down there, okay? All right, ma'am. I'll talk to you when we get down there.
Bad idea. We're gonna have to put her on the stretch.
Why are you
Okay,
letting
they're
them
not.
do this?
All right, here, back in, back in, back in, back in.
A full cocktail.
Yep. AMR still coming?
No!
You want them to look?
Do not give me any drugs. I don't use any drugs.
If you're gonna sedate her, can we get a stretcher up here then?
No! No, I don't use any
They're right
drugs.
here and they're ready to do
They're
it.
trying to
Have them
subject
get the
me.
stretcher up.
We're gonna put soft restraints on you, okay? We're gonna put soft cuffs on you.
Can we do soft restraints on her?
I know. These are-
And then one cuff to the gurney. And make sure you get clearance on that.
Yes, will do,
Hey,
sir.
just come pick me up in the truck.
Thank you.
All right.
No, please don't take me in there. Please, please take me. Take me to the doctor. All right. I put my arm inside of this. Have you? I'm gonna just keep it right out there, okay?
I'll be,
We put a non-animated cap mill on the back of the stretcher.
Okay.
I'm gonna be in there with you. Hold on.
We're gonna put you in this seat.
Okay.
That way you're out of sight, and it may keep things from getting. She's pretty understandable. She's
I'll
pretty
just sit there.
sedate.
I'm just gonna be
Yep.
All right. Appreciate it, guys.
A critical doctrinal point. The Baker Act and criminal arrest are procedurally separate. A subject can be involuntarily committed and criminally charged from the same encounter. Mental health crisis is not a complete defense to battery or resisting under Florida law. However, it directly affects competency review, plea negotiations, and sentencing outcomes. The Ninth Judicial Circuit offers mental health court and pretrial intervention programs. Completion of treatment can result in dismissal, a pathway documented in similar cases. On evaluation, the responding officers receive a B- on 3 measurable grounds. Force escalation tied to articulable observation. Restraint within hard, empty hand control. Deductions reflect missed crisis intervention opportunities and conditional command language. The subject receives a D measured strictly against statutory elements as written. This grade reflects legal liability, not clinical responsibility. The two are not identical. The Orlando Police Department receives a B for coordination and continuous camera coverage. Key lessons follow. For officers, conditional commands shift regulatory burden to the subject. Crisis intervention team protocols favor open acknowledgement over preconditioned framing. For agencies, Baker Act integration with criminal arrest must be visible on the front line. For citizens, physical resistance, however reactive, generates independent felony exposure. For prosecutors, duplicate resisting charges from one encounter rarely survive plea review. For the public, a crisis call is a legal event the moment officers make physical contact. Let us know if there is a legal topic you would like analyzed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more content.